focused, of course, on mat B. Mырзаназар, Уулу. He's against Артем Гобаев. Heavy snaps from Gobаев, as expected. He's been using that all day. Very good weapon in his arsenal. Likes the heavy snaps, and off that snap likes to come around the outside and work behind the knee. It'll be left or right. He can attack on both sides. Had a little bit of a problem with his hand throughout the day. You can see that now, all taped up. Had a bit of an issues with it in the semi-finals. Gobаев on the shot clock, not doing enough. Mырзаназар, Уулу, being the more attacking wrestler in the referee's eyes, just maybe using his hands a little bit more, especially with those underhooks, especially like that left side that we can see now on the camera. Snap down now and needs to try and work, and it is quite often you see, especially in these matches, wrestlers being a little bit slower than usual than they would throughout the day. It becomes a lot more about tactics and mat awareness and technical work than going a million miles an hour. And it's a good shot from Gobаев, nice and low, head inside, going to try and crank that leg and pops his head on the outside, but Mырзаназар with the heavy hips trying to break that grip and circle slowly to the outside. He's got that ankle. Just needs to get that left leg a little bit back. Pops off on the single. Gobаев not giving any points up yet. Needs to be careful with that knee joint. Circles round, trying to force the scramble, but a beautiful turn over the top. Mырзаназар, and he's got him in a very dangerous position here. And it's a pinfall for Kyrgyzstan. He eliminates Артем Гобаев. He was very confident going into this one, and what a win that is for Kyrgyzstan. Always looked comfortable, never looked out of position.